Hi there, students. Want. Notice the spelling, W-O-N-T. It sounds exactly like I want a sandwich, but the meaning's totally different. Okay, a want is a habit or a custom. It can be both a noun and an adjective. So it is his want to take 2 cups of strong coffee at breakfast. It is my want to begin videos with, "Hi there, students." Okay, so a want, a habit or a custom, something you commonly do, a habit. It is his want to have a short nap after lunch. Okay, habit. Notice this word, a want, sounds quite formal and quite literary. I do not suggest using it in an informal conversation. Informally, habit or custom. But something semi-formal or very formal, and particularly something literary, want is a really good word. Yeah? He has a want to do this very slowly and carefully to make sure he gets this right. In this video, I have given you lots of examples, as is my want, okay, as is my habit, as is my custom. Okay, notice this word, a want, comes from German, from the word wohnen, which means to dwell or be accustomed to. And that's really the meaning of it. So I'm accustomed to give a live stream every Sunday evening. It is one of my wants to do a live stream on Sunday evenings. So next time you want to use the word habit or custom or used to, and you're making one of those formal essays, try and use the word a want. It'll impress the examiners, and like that you can show your wonderful vocabulary. So, what wants do you have? Okay, in the past, this word want, you used to use it as well, or people will want to use it as a verb, but nowadays I don't think so. I would just stick to a want, or it is his want, it is his habit. Okay, so there we go. Well, I will now finish the video in the way that is my want. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Want with an O.